Welcome to the channel Due Dare Academy. National Health Mission Karnataka invited the application for job vacancies. NHM Karnataka has announced a notification for the recruitment of the post of Nurse Mid-Level Health Provider. It is a great opportunity for all the individuals who possess BSc Nursing or Post-Basic Nursing qualification. If you find this video as useful, subscribe the channel and share it to your friends. So this is the order of National Health Mission Karnataka for the selection of Nurse Mid-Level Health Providers. Aspirants must check the eligibility details such as the educational qualification, age limit, application fee and selection process. We have provided all the vital information regarding the NHM Karnataka job vacancy, including the detailed syllabus for entrance examination and the district-wise number of posts. So for all information, watch till the end of the video. National Health Mission Karnataka invites the candidates who are willing to serve the community as mid-level healthcare providers for initiating health and wellness centers at Chamarajanagar, Chitradurga, Gadag, Haveri, Shivamogga, Uttara Kannada, Bagalkot, Chikmagalur, Raichur and Vijaypur districts. Name of the organization is National Health Mission Karnataka and the post is Mid-Level Healthcare Provider. The number of vacancies are 1356. The starting date to apply online is 24th June 2020. And the last date to apply online is 21st July 2020. The official website is www.karnataka.gov.in and the job location is Karnataka. The written exam and result date is 2nd August 2020. The date of original document verification is 4th August 2020. And regarding the eligibility criteria, the aspirants should possess the educational qualification of BSc Nursing or Post-Basic BSc Nursing degree from recognized university or board. The age of the applicants should not have less than 35 years and for general category the upper age limit is 35 years, but for SC/ST category 1 candidates upper age limit is 40 years. For category 2 upper age limit is 38 years and for ex-servicemen, war widow, physical challenged persons upper age limit is 40 years. And the application fee, candidates need to pay the application fee as for general or OBC candidates rupees 600 and for reserved category rupees 300. Regarding the pay scale, the selected candidates will get a remuneration of rupees 24,200 per month and the selection process is based on the written examination online. So the instructions are the candidates or employees are required to apply online through website. No other means or mode of application will be accepted. The candidates or employees are required to have a valid personal email ID and mobile number. It should be kept active till the completion of the exam or certification process. This email ID will be used for communication by the testing and certification agency. Under no circumstances, the candidates should not share their email ID to any other person or use the email ID of any other person. In case a candidate does not have a valid personal email ID, he or she should create a new email ID before applying online. Candidate is required to upload the soft copy of the passport size photograph with a maximum size of 50 KB and minimum size 10 KB and the allowed file format is JPG or JPEG, and also they should upload the soft copy of the signature. So the link for the official notification and registration for the recruitment guidelines and the registration link is given, and also the link of applying online is given. So these are the guidelines for filling the application. The circular is given by National Health Mission Karnataka for filling this, and it is important to read these guidelines and fill the application. Also they have mentioned the syllabus, and it is as per the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, and it includes the topics of nursing foundation, community health nursing, medical surgical nursing, obstetrics and gynecological nursing, general aptitude and pediatrics, practical skill analysis and skill based questions, the nutrition and diet related questions, anatomy, physiology and pharmacology, and all national health programs. Also the name of the districts and the approved post in each district is mentioned. So go through this before filling this application. The date is from 24/6/2020 to 21/7/2020. So hurry up and grab the opportunity. Thank you. For more job notifications, stay tuned with us by subscribing the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications.